5 of the most well-regarded finance certificates in the finance industry. Whether you're already working in the financial industry or not, having any of these certifications will help increase your earning power, your skills, and your reputation. 5. Certified Financial Planner, CFP. It costs $2,000 and the pass rate is about 67%. It's great for people who want to get into investment or wealth management. It's focused on financial planning if you want to manage high net worth clients. 4. Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst, CIAI. CIAI costs $3,000 and the pass rate is about 70%. It's geared towards professionals in asset management and hedge fund industries. Number 3. Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst. This is a new exam. It costs under $500 and the pass rate is 70%. It's increasingly popular for corporate finance. You learn about valuation, Excel, and mergers and acquisitions. 2. Certified Public Accountant, CPA. CPA costs $3,000 and the pass rate is roughly 50%. It's the gold standard of accounting and is also useful for a finance career path. You learn about auditing, reporting, and regulations. Number 1. Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. The CFA usually costs $4,000 to $5,000 and the pass rate is below 20%. It's seen as one of the harder but also highly regarded certifications, and it takes 3 levels and 4 years to pass. The main focus is portfolio management and investment analysis. It's a very well-rounded certificate. You learn about portfolio management, equity, derivatives, corporate finance, and more.